Ooh. Perfect. Got a little blessed with some fine pelt out here today. I'll tell something to strip that kill trap. Something's hitting that and it's not catching hold of it, something small. Still nothing. Them bait boxes. Nah, he's been tripped. Nothing in the cubby hole. Oh. No hits, no runs, no errors. Got that set up pretty good. Ain't been touched yet. Got 650 set here. And funneled up. Got 650 here too. Hope they either come through here. Had to back this one up with a coyote took that dirt off of there. Still had to step on when they come in. Yeah, we'll see. Time and patience. Patience and time. We'll keep on keeping on. Beautiful day. They warmed up a little bit. Close to 40 degrees. Yeah, man. Beautiful, beautiful day. Bant me's at the cabin. Got a fire going. Gonna have a mountain mocha. Your time up here. And then take Bandit home, give him a bath. That's always just pleases him big time. I appreciate you fellas checking in. Give me a shout. Let me know what you and good Lord's up to. I ain't been hearing from a whole lot of you lately. Hope everything's all right with you. Let me know what's going on with you. Y'all stay safe. Take care. God bless y'all.